Welcome to Craft Catalog. If your workshop feels cluttered, crowded, or constantly disorganized, you're not alone. Many makers believe that a clean, efficient shop requires expensive cabinets, branded storage systems, and a large budget. But the truth is, some of the smartest workshop organization solutions cost little to nothing. In fact, many of them are already sitting in your shop, your garage, or even your recycling bin. Today we're diving into shop organization on a budget using repurposed materials and free storage ideas. These are practical solutions designed for real workshops, not showroom displays. The goal is simple: save money, maximize space, and work faster with less frustration. The first key principle of good shop organization is intention. A well-organized workshop isn't about how much you spend. It's about how you arrange tools around your workflow. When tools are visible, reachable, and grouped logically, productivity improves instantly. One of the most powerful free resources in any workshop is scrap wood. Offcuts, plywood strips, and leftover boards are often treated as waste, but they're perfect for storage projects. A simple scrap board with drilled holes becomes a screwdriver rack. Narrow plywood strips can hold chisels or files. Leftover panels can be turned into shelves, bins, or drawer dividers sized exactly for your tools. Packaging materials are another overlooked resource. Wooden crates can be mounted on walls to store finishes, glue, or accessories. Strong cardboard boxes, when cut and reinforced, work well for organizing clamps, sanding pads, or cords. Even temporary cardboard storage is useful for testing layouts before building permanent solutions. Glass jars are one of the most effective zero-cost storage options available. Old food jars are ideal for screws, nails, bolts, washers, and small hardware. When mounted upside down beneath shelves, they save space and keep everything visible. Clear storage reduces searching time and helps maintain organization naturally. Plastic containers also play an important role. Yogurt cups, food containers, and bottle caps make excellent drawer dividers and small parts trays. Grouped together, they create structured storage inside drawers without spending anything. Wall space is one of the most valuable areas in a workshop, yet it's often underused. While pegboards are popular, you don't need store-bought systems to make walls functional. French cleats made from scrap wood are one of the most flexible and affordable wall storage methods. A single angled strip allows you to hang shelves, bins, and tool holders that can be rearranged as your shop evolves. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. New woodworking, DIY, and shop organization ideas are shared regularly, and subscribing helps you stay inspired and organized. Old furniture is another powerful source of free storage. Dressers can become hardware cabinets. Bookshelves work perfectly for tools and materials. Old desks can be transformed into workstations with built-in drawers. Even broken furniture can be taken apart and reused for panels, shelves, or dividers. Vertical storage is essential, especially in small workshops. When floor space is limited, look upward. Shelves above doors, cabinets mounted higher on walls, and ceiling-mounted racks for lumber or clamps free up valuable working space. Many shops feel cramped simply because storage stops too low. Magnetic storage is another low-cost solution. Reclaimed magnets or magnetic strips can hold metal tools like chisels, wrenches, and drill bits. This keeps tools visible, accessible, and safely stored. Buckets are more useful than most people realize. Stackable buckets store cords, hoses, scrap wood, and supplies. Mounted bucket lids can hold small containers. Buckets placed on a rolling plywood base become mobile storage units that move wherever you need them. One of the most important organization strategies is grouping by task instead of tool type. Keep sanding supplies together. Keep drilling accessories together. Store measuring and marking tools in one location. This reduces movement, saves time, and makes even a small shop feel more spacious. Lighting also affects organization. Good lighting helps you see clutter before it becomes a problem. Light-colored walls, reflective surfaces, and repositioned lights can dramatically improve visibility without buying new fixtures. Labels are another simple but powerful tool. Masking tape and a marker are often enough. When everything is labeled, tools naturally return to their place, helping organization maintain itself. Shop organization is not a one-time project. It evolves over time. Start with free solutions. Test layouts. Adjust as your tools and projects change. A shop that grows with you will always work better than one built all at once. When you stop chasing expensive systems and start using what you already have, organization becomes creative instead of stressful. Every scrap, jar, and container becomes an opportunity instead of clutter. If this video gave you new ideas or inspired you to organize your shop differently, don't forget to like and subscribe to Craft Catalog for more woodworking, DIY, and practical shop solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.